Welcome guys to Audikult, and today I just wanted to make a little uphill racing rally video with the Ttrs. And yes, we are now driving because there is a car coming and I want to have the street for myself. And so, ladies and gentlemen, just enjoy the pure power of the Ttrs with ESP off. Don't try this at home, at least when you don't know what you're doing. So enjoy! Whoops! That was really too hard. We have to cut that out.
Bitte in 400 Metern rechts abbiegen.
I thought the tires were a little bit warmer. That was the problem here, and I was a little bit too fast.
Jetzt rechts abbiegen.
So that's a really tight corner here. So be aware of that. Up there.
Bitte 2 Kilometer den Straßenverlauf folgen.
Be quiet. I want to talk. So there is pretty much no possibility for me to push the front completely through. Oh, you ground. They built the road really good. They absolute experts. Perfect road to drive it with a truck, isn't it? It is remarkable how good the car handles on these kind of roads. There's almost no oversteer, understeer, nothing. Thanks to APR, it really has.
Links abbiegen auf die B315 in
I
Richtung
said be
Schaffhausen.
quiet. And thanks to APR, it really has the little bit of extra power I think it definitely needs. Let's turn there and let the party begin again. Oh guys.
Bitte 2 Kilometer der B3.
I said be quiet, so now she's quiet. So it is remarkable. There is pretty much no shaking in the car. It really exactly does what I want it to do. Not even in dynamic. So I push it now in dynamic, where the steering definitely gets more direct. You can see it. It's way more direct. Was a little bit too fast, ladies and gentlemen, so I had to blur that out, sorry.
Bitte in 500 Metern rechts ab.
I said be quiet. Is this now a new running gag here or something? So, okay, we have to turn right.
Jetzt rechts abbiegen.
Thank you very much, that's remarkable how perfectly you can say that. So, that's also a really nice road here.
Bitte 9 Kilometer den Straßen.
So they have really awesome roads here in the Black Forest, as Germans call it. Oh my gosh. This car is too good not to drive it every single day. Really, you want that as your daily, and then at the weekend you take it out on roads like these, you take it out to the Alps, and you just have the, from my point of view, one of the most, and you just have an awful lot of fun, really. So sorry for my very good sentence building. Okay, so I chilled a little bit now. Yeah. Engine temperature is absolutely okay. often I wouldn't do that because my driving license is too much work to me. Yeah. So, but this car just wants to go, as I already said in a previous video. Just awesome. You could easily overtake him with 200 here, if you're completely stupid. Yeah, it's just a little bit touching the pedal and you're gone. This is so awesome. Maybe you really get the feeling of this car. It is so direct. Just look at that, how direct it is. There's pretty much no shaking on the suspension. It is just direct. It is a go-kart feeling for the road with go-kart feeling for the road with 476 horsepower. Oh, hello Porsche. I eat you for breakfast with this car. Definitely. The Golf GTI, of course. Oh guys, I wish I were at the Nürburgring now, because that would be pretty interesting. The problem would be that the brakes are that miserable that you after a few corners you could easily die because your brakes aren't working, because they are designed to be perfectly on wet conditions but not on dry conditions. This is the big problem with the brakes at the Ttrs as well as the RS3. So guys, I think you've seen more than enough about how this car performs. Totally uncut, so not totally uncut, but excuse my little mistakes. Yes, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and definitely check out my Instagram for daily updates on which car I'm driving at the moment, where I am at the moment, and yes, also the updates on my future car, the Ttrs. And tell me, would you go to APR, for example, and put it stage 1 on the Ttrs if you have one, or if you would have one? Just tell me, what would you do with the car? Would you leave it completely stock, or what would you modify it? Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I catch up with you again very soon. Cheers!